Hey guys, welcome back. This is Sid again. Today I'm going to show you a secret website which is gonna pay you somewhere between $45 to $90 every single day just by working 6 hours. It's up to you. The maximum you can work is for 6 hours. You can work for 1 hour, you can work for 2 hours. Why I recommend this one to all of you guys is it is very simple to earn. It doesn't require you to be expert in English. You can do it from anywhere in the world. You will be getting paid regularly. Final one is you do not require any technical knowledge. All you require is typing few words. Yes, you're right. Just typing few words will get you around like $45 to $90 every single day. If you are serious about making this money, then do watch this video till end. I'll be showing you the website, how to register. I'll also show you how to increase your payout rates. Okay guys, without any wasting time, let's get on to the stuff and see how this can be done. This is my YouTube channel and Digital Nomad. I just changed from Make Money Online to Digital Nomad because I'll be working from different places. In the coming videos, I'll be showing you how you can work remotely just by having your phone and make money. So this is like interesting topic which I may cover later point of time in the future videos. But for now, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Also like this video. You can also comment and say like if you have anything else to say to me or anything else to ask to me. The website which I'm showing you, this one, talentdesire.com. Talentdesire.com. Okay. If you come here, you will have a lot of jobs over here. Online proofreading, which is gonna get you like $10 to $37 per hour. Freelance blogging and even translation jobs, content writing jobs, medical transcripts, all this. We are concerned only on this online typing jobs, which is easier. You can make from $45 to $90. You can see this. Once I click this, it will open into the new window, which I'm gonna show you. You see here, this is the one, level beginner, intermediate, professional, expert. You can get somewhere like 10 cents per word. Gonna get you like $3 for 300 words per page. And find the expert level where you're gonna get double the rates, like 20 cents. Which is gonna get you like $6 per page, and per page rates are like $3, $6, which I showed you here. Okay, and you can make somewhere like 15 pages a day, which is like 300 words to 15 pages, right? Like 15 times 300 words. It's not major. It's like 4,500 words. You're gonna make from $45 to $90. In the beginner level, you will make around like $45 a day, and if you go for expert level, it is $90. How you can increase your pay rates from $45 to $90? This is a simple trick which I'm going to show you. It's not that complicated. Even registering to this Talent Desire website, it's also free. And there is another website which is called Ratatype. Ratatype is a website which gives you a certificate saying that your typing speed is this much and your accuracy is this much. If you just click on this, you can start typing this and it will give you the results. I'll just show you. Type. Okay. I just type around like 57 words per minute. You type faster than 70% of users. This is okay, cool, but you cannot prove that this is from you. Come here, you can use your Google account, you have sign up. I already have an account, so once you log in, it comes to your profile. You can see here you have a certificate which says like your typing speed is this much and your accuracy is this. You can take multiple times this test, and the important thing is give out something best to these guys, so that they can increase your payouts from $45 to $90. So once you have that Ratatype certificate, you can come here. This is the place where you have to apply. You see, like just scroll down, say apply now. It comes to this page. It says select an application form, complete as per guidelines. Once you select an online application, it will come here. It will ask for you, do you want to give out online application form or like offline application form? Obviously, everyone types like online application form. The privacy policy and everything, you just accept. Give it your first name and last name, and wherever your residency is, because it works all over the world. And the next thing is, what is the best time to contact you? They will contact you, and there are different ways you can earn. PayPal, Payoneer. I would say Payoneer works really great all over the world. If you stay in US, just go for PayPal. If you are not from US, try Payoneer, because PayPal has a lot of issues in recent times. Once you do all these things, just have a signature, that is your name, and submit. This is that simple. The cool part is you are going to make like $45 to $90 a day. Even if you calculate for like 25 days, you still make like $1,000 a month, right? $1,000 is really an extra income for you. This is one of the way you can make online. I'll be showing you multiple online streams of income. In the next video, I'll be showing you one more tip where you can make around like $1,000 to $2,000 every single month. These are all additional incomes. When you have this 3 to 4 online income stream, you can regularly make around like $4,000 to $5,000. If you haven't watched my previous video which I have shared with you, like how much money I made in the month of May. Here is the link. You can get it, you can watch it. And if you want to see other videos somewhere here or there, I'll be adding a playlist. You can go over all the playlists and see like how to start digital marketing career. See you in the next video. Till then, take care guys.